Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, so on this part 10 here, I'm just gonna cut at the tip a little bit. Yep, no problem. I'm just gonna cut the tip a little bit here. Actually, I don't really want to move it. Then I'm also gonna cut a little bit, probably to here, probably to here. For the tang, and we'll see how that goes. Holy. I can't believe I made 10 videos on this thing already. Alright, good. So that's halfway through. Okay. Oh, sweet. There. And all I gotta do is just forge this down to here, make this even, and it should draw more of the profile for the tip. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the tang. That's going to be fun. Going to be fun. Here we are. Just honestly, just to make it easier on me. There we are. Okay. And to move the camera around. Go to this device. I could have used it the whole time, but I just wanted to make, some starting lines, then do it. Actually, there. I should be able to see it. That looks about even. It works, it works. Alright. Okay. Okay, perfect. There. Oh. There. It's fine. I just don't know why this little piece of fucking metal is such a pain in the ass to get, but whatever. There, fucker. Yeah, no, that's fine. Can easily just make that into the new tang. Yep, so we'll stretch the tang out. It's not much, I just gotta stretch it to here. So that's, I'm still gonna have a plenty thick. There. So, well, like I said, I only need to stretch the tang out maybe to here for it to be, you know, better. It's still a fairly good tang, but it's still going to be way too thick. This blade's still way too thick. So, yeah, once I get this tip straightened up, get this thinned out a bit more, stretch out the tang, I am a lot fucking closer than I thought I was, I tell you what. Yep. Might be able to get the profile a bit on the more aggressive, but that can be done also a little later too. But yeah, all in all, not too bad. So, let's get forging, shall we? Okay, it's gonna take a little bit for the metal to heat up, so fucking almost did it barehanded too. All right. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna stop this little video right here. Yeah. Next one's gonna be completely fortune. So, peace.